Welcome back to mommyisache, and today we're gonna make minestrone. And adore this recipe because it has a ton of vegetables. Usually at the end of the week, whatever vegetables I didn't use, I throw in my minestrone, and I adore it. All the family likes it, and it has a ton of beans for protein. It has a little bit of potatoes for carbs, so it's completely balanced as well. Just one thing, it's not traditional, so don't come for me if you're Italian, but trust me, you're gonna love it. Better than your grandma's. Chopping time. So we're gonna chop 3 carrots. What we have leftovers of potatoes, I think it's like 3. 2 zucchinis. Wash and drain the beans. Those are gonna be the kidney and the white beans. We're gonna use half the can of the tomatoes and a little bit of tomato paste. Take 2 tablespoons of oil, and we're gonna grab our onions, garlic, peppers, and garlic and start sauteing those guys. Make sure you saute until translucent. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Look, I just finished filming my dog. Isn't that delicious? Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so keep sauteing our vegetables. Just gonna add my potatoes, just the potatoes. The potatoes take longer to cook, that's why I add them first, and the zucchinis don't take any time at all. So, and plus I want like the potatoes to dissolve a little bit to make it creamy. In goes our tomatoes, our beans. Oh my god, this could totally feed an army. I'm gonna add our tomato paste, and then I'm gonna add our basil. Add 4 cups of water. And oh my god, basil reminds me of my grandmother. We used to like clean corn outside in the backyard. Make humitas, or these kind of like tamales kind of thing, but like fresh, with fresh corn and basil. Oh my goodness, it just reminds me of her. I love it. Let's do 6 cups of water, because you know what, a lot of the water is gonna evaporate. And so we're gonna bring this to a boil. Once it's boiled, we're gonna turn it down and we're gonna simmer it for, let's say, 15 minutes. Okay, so we're boiling, and those means just wrap our bubbles throughout. So I'm gonna turn it down. See, look how it subsided. Now we're just gonna cover it, let it sit there. And remember, we still have our zucchinis. Before I serve, I'm gonna add a little bit of spinach right before, because I don't want it too cooked, because I want to keep that protein, all those little nutrients. Okay, add my zucchinis and wait till those cook, and they should only take like 5 minutes. Cover it back up. At this point, you might want to add your pasta. I would only add like 1/4 or half, not too much. I'm not gonna add it because I'm gonna leave my minestrone for tomorrow, and if I leave it in there, it's gonna absorb all of the soup, and I don't want it to do that. Okay, so it is done, and now I'm gonna add half a bag of the spinach. The other half is going into my dough. Okay, and make sure right before you're gonna serve it, this is gonna wilt down to nothing, so it's all good. Okay, so just stir that in and serve. You're gonna love this recipe. I assure you, this is gonna be like a weekly meal of yours. Even if you're not doing vegan, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me, spending time with me in the kitchen. You're gonna love this. Oh, so good. Try to subscribe, and I'll see you guys. So I also wanted to tell you guys, if you want to use these recipes for Meatless Mondays, go ahead and do so. They're all delicious. Thank you guys. I love you with all my heart. Bye.